Hello, Johnsen Jaguar. Salam, Jaguar.
Привет, Johnsen.
Hola, Johnsen.
Jumbo, Johnsen Jaguars. Hello, Johnsen Jaguars. I am Christian. Happy May. Let's start with the Jaguar Pledge. I am a Johnsen Jaguar. I am a responsible learner. I am safe. I am respectful. I am productive. I am a Johnsen Jaguar. VAR.
Yesterday was a holiday called Memorial Day. This is the day that we celebrate and mourn the military soldiers who have died in the war protecting our country and our freedoms.
Hi, Johnsen Jaguar. I'm Fadi.
I'm Cheyenne. I'm Bailey.
And we are going to be talking about the bubble run.
Wasn't it a lot of fun? I ran so many laps.
And I want to see who won the taco.
Let's take a look at the pictures. They look so fun.
Last week was a bubble one. It was the funnest time of the week. I love seeing how much bubbles there are. Remember to always stay happy, and the bubbles reminded us about how much time we had together, us 5th graders, 4th graders, and every grade in the school year. And it also reminds me of how much kids there is in the school, which is a lot. Bye!
Congratulations to the students who passed the LPAC. They are now considered English fluent. We are so proud of you.
Good morning, Johnsen. Last week was the last week of tutoring. It was so fun. We all enjoyed ourselves. We loved it so much. We made it through all the tutoring experience. Last week of tutoring! Bye.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne. Hi, I'm Bailey. Today we are interviewing Miss Linda from the health office.
Hello.
Has there been any fractures or broken bones?
Well, luckily, fingers crossed, we've had a good year. Mostly everything's pretty good, pretty healthy, and I think I only had one little broken arm this year, which is very, very good.
How is it like to be a health assistant?
It's great. I like it because I really enjoy helping people, and I love kids. And the best part of it, when you come to my office and everything's okay and you feel safe and assured, you leave with a smile. It just makes me feel good to help other people feel better.
How much training does it take to be a health assistant?
Well, I have been to college. That was many years ago. But you have to be certified in certain areas. So I have first aid, CPR, and AED training.
What do you do in your free time?
I'm very much an outdoors girl. I love sports. In fact, I'm a marathon runner and just did one in Yosemite 2 weeks ago. I also ride my bike, I play tennis, I play basketball, and I do many, many things.
I also have some sad news. Miss Linda is retiring. Say your goodbyes and give lots of notes and pictures.
Okay, sure will. I have loved my years here at Johnsen. In fact, I've spent all my time at one school, which is actually unusual for someone to do. But I've stayed here because this school has heart, the best people and the best kids. It's just been a real pleasure to work here. I will very much miss it. I'll miss the people, miss the job and seeing everyone. But I'm going to move into a new phase and do some other things.
Thank you for letting us interview.
You're welcome. All the best, guys. All the best.
Bye.
5th grade DOLs are this week. Hi, Johnsen Jaguars. I will be talking about 5th grade DOLs. 5th grade DOLs are about what you want to be in the future, and you also have to share and present to adults. I can show you some of my slides. Hello, so these are my slides right here, and my demonstration learning presented by Christian Anthony Hernandez. So I did a thing like this of the world of work. My writing set codes, you have to put in, I'm artistic, I'm surprisingly social. I put my job as a cartoonist and creativity and own art style. You have to put your skills here.
Hi, my name is Jaden.
Hi, my name is Jair.
Hi, my name is Adrian.
Open house is this Thursday from 2:15 to 3:15.
Johnsen families can come visit your classroom.
Free popsicles.
See you there.
Hi, Johnsen Jaguars.
Hi, my name is Lottie.
My name is Tajay.
We're going to talk about the movie theater.
The movie park is coming up this Friday. People put a show on for the movie.
And it's going to start at 8 p.m. and you can bring your families, and make sure you bring your family so they can watch too.
There's also there may be snacks. There's also activities and way more.
And the movie is going to be Lightyear.
And it's for free.
No paying, no tickets. You just come for free. There's lots and lots, and we have a gigantic field. Bye.
Bye.
We'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.
Thank you for listening. Remember to be safe,
Respectful.
and productive. Bye.